Every day, you've been picking up various life signals that drive you to your destination. Probably, a sign navigates you home, a sudden gesture keeps you safe. But when you stand at a point in your career where these subtle gestures are lost on you, Global Reach is there to navigate you. Global Reach, your gateway to future education in more than 350 institutions worldwide. We provide overseas education counseling, admissions and visa assistance to Australia, New Zealand, UK, USA and many more.
Visit Global Reach and feel the difference. Opposite to Kathmandu Plaza, Kamaladi, Kathmandu. Phone number 4439968.
Fulfill your ambition to study and build a bright career. Global Reach, education matters.
नमस्ते दर्शकवृन्द, ग्लोबल रिच बहुराष्ट्रिय कम्पनीको विशेष प्रस्तुतिमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। ग्लोबल रिच बहुराष्ट्रिय कम्पनी एउटा त्यस्तो संस्था हो जुन संस्थाले विश्वका 400 भन्दा बढी विश्वविद्यालयहरूलाई प्रतिनिधित्व गर्छ। ग्लोबल रिचले 25 वर्ष पूरा गरेर 26औं वर्षमा प्रवेश गरेको छ र ग्लोबल रिचले आफ्नो एक्जिबिसन समेत आयोजना गरेको छ, जसमा 22 वटा अस्ट्रेलियाका युनिभर्सिटीहरू यहाँ आएको छ र यसमा यो एक्जिबिसनमा विद्यार्थीहरूले पनि चासोका साथ यहाँ सहभागिता जनाएका छन्। अस्ट्रेलियामा कस्तो किसिमका पढाइहरू हुन्छन्, के कति गुणस्तरीय छन्, कसरी पढाइ हुँदो रहेछ, त्यहाँको शिक्षा नीति के हो भन्ने विषयमा यहाँ विद्यार्थीहरूले जानकारी लिइरहेका छन्। आज हामी यो विशेष प्रस्तुतिमा यही कुराहरूलाई देखाउने छौं।
म नारायण बजाज, म पेशाले चार्टर अकाउन्टेन्ट हो र ग्लोबल रिच नेपालको टोटल अपरेसन म हेर्छु। यो फेयर जुन अहिले तपाईहरु जहाँ उपस्थित हुनुहुन्छ, हामीले 2012 देखि हामीले लगातार सालको 2 चोटी यो फेयर हामी गर्दैछौँ र यो फेयर गर्दाको अवस्थामा अस्ट्रेलियन हाई कमिसन र दिल्लीको इमिग्रेसनले पनि यो फेयरलाई जहिले पनि सपोर्ट गरेका छन्। दिल्लीको हाई कमिसन र इमिग्रेसनका रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभहरू पनि हरेक पटक हाम्रो फेयरमा उपस्थित हुन्छन्। अम्बेसडरले बिहान उद्घाटन गर्छन्, आज पनि उहाँले उद्घाटन गर्नुभयो बिहान। यो पालि इमिग्रेसनबाट टिम आउन सकेन किनभनेदेखि त्यहाँ टोटल नयाँ टिम आएको कारणले गर्दा उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ अलिकति मिलेन यो पालि। हामी आशा गर्छौँ अर्को फेयरमा उनीहरू पनि आउँछन् र हाम्रो हरेक फेयरमा अस्ट्रेलियाका 22 देखि 25 वटा युनिभर्सिटीहरूले भाग लिन्छन्, जहाँ नेपालका विद्यार्थीहरू प्राय जसो जान्छन्। जुन युनिभर्सिटीहरूमा उनीहरूले हाम्रो फेयरमा यहाँ भाग लिन्छन् र यो एक दिनको फेयर हुन्छ। आजको यो फेयरमा पनि तपाईँले हेर्नुभयो होला, यहाँ 22 वटा युनिभर्सिटीहरू छन् र यो पालि हामीले एउटा नयाँ काम के गरेका छौँ भने अर्बानेस्ट, यो हजुरको पछाडि अर्बानेस्ट भने एकोमोडेसन, यो अस्ट्रेलियाको सबैभन्दा ठुलो एकोमोडेसन विद्यार्थीहरूको लागि एकोमोडेसन प्रोभाइड गर्ने एउटा संस्था हो। यसमा अमेरिकन र ब्रिटिसको इन्भेस्टमेन्ट हो कम्पनीहरूको। धेरै सो विद्यार्थीहरू हामी कहाँ आउँदाखेरि उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ एउटा सबैभन्दा ठुलो अन्यल के हुन्छ भने कहाँ बस्ने होइन, सबैको त साथीभाइ नातेदार हुँदैनन् नि, त कहाँ बस्ने भन्दाखेरि एउटा ठुलो त्यो भएको कारण विद्यार्थीहरूलाई यो फेयरमा सजिलो होस् भनेर चाहिँ अस्ट्रेलियामा एकोमोडेसन कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ भनेर चाहिँ हामीले स्पेसली यो पालि हामीले इन्भाइट गऱ्यौँ। उहाँहरू पनि यहाँ उपस्थित छन्। त्यसले गर्दा यो पनि एउटा प्यारेन्ट्सहरूलाई चाहिँ एउटा धेरै नै राम्रो एउटा इन्फर्मेसन यसबाट पाउँछ। यो फेयरको मेन उद्देश्य के हो भनेदेखि यहाँ आएर विद्यार्थीहरूले सोझै होइन युनिभर्सिटीको रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभहरूसँग एकैचोटि भेट्न पाओस्। हाम्रो अफिसमा आउँदाखेरि कहिले एउटा युनिभर्सिटी हुन्छ, कहिले 2टा हुन्छ, कहिले 3 महिनापछि आउँछन्। यहाँ त सबै एकै ठाउँमा छ नि, त उनीहरू आएर मजाले आएर 2टा 4वटा 5वटा 6वटा जति मन लाग्यो त्यो युनिभर्सिटीले आएर भेटोस्, बुझोस्, युनिभर्सिटीको फीको बारेमा बुझोस्, रिक्वायरमेन्टको बारेमा बुझोस्, स्कलरसिपको बारेमा बुझोस् होइन। त्यो सबै कुराहरू चाहिँ उनीहरूले आएर युनिभर्सिटीलाई भेट्दाखेरि मलाई लाग्छ योभन्दा राम्रो एउटा अवसर के हुनसक्छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ। हाम्रो फेयरमा जहिले पनि 600, 700, 800, 1000 होइन, यो समय हेरी हुन्छ होइन। त्यो कारणले गर्दा राम्रै सङ्ख्यामा आउँछ होइन। अब यो अहिलेको सङ्ख्याले नै देखाउँछ, अहिले भर्खर 1 बजे हो होइन। त द्याट इज अ गुड रेस्पोन्स म भन्छु होइन, किनभने हाम्रो ब्रान्ड अलरेडी यो मार्केटमा अलरेडी हाम्रो एउटा ग्लोबल रिच भनेको एउटा ब्रान्ड इस्टाब्लिस भइसकेको ब्रान्ड हो र ग्लोबल रिचको यात्रा 25 साल सुरु भएको र यो सार्क रिजनको ठुलो कम्पनीमध्येको एउटा कम्पनी हो यो होइन। यसको आफ्नै 30वटा लोकेसनमा यिनीहरूको आफ्नै अफिसहरू छन् ग्लोबल रिचको र नेपालमा चाहिँ यो हामीसँग टाइअप छ ग्लोबल रिच। त्यो हिसाबले चाहिँ मलाई लाग्छ कि नेपालका विद्यार्थीहरूलाई ग्लोबल रिचले साह्रै नै हेल्प गरेका छन् र हामीले विद्यार्थीहरूसँग हाम्रो सेवा दिँदाखेरि कहिलेकाहीँ एउटा हुन्छ नि के डिफ्रेन्स छ र यतिवटा कन्सल्टेन्सीहरू छन् के डिफ्रेन्स छ भन्दाखेरि हामी एउटा गर्वसाथ के भन्छौँ भनेदेखि हामी विद्यार्थीसँग पैसा लिँदैनौँ, हाम्रो सर्भिस फ्री छ, वी डोन्ट चार्ज होइन। भनेपछि एउटा हामीले दिने विद्यार्थीलाई त्यही हो होइन। र हामीले चाहिँ विद्यार्थीहरूलाई कहिले पनि हामीले बायस किसिमको इन्फर्मेसन हामी दिँदैनौँ होइन। विद्यार्थीलाई के सुट गर्छ, विद्यार्थीले कुन युनिभर्सिटीमा जान चाहन्छ होइन, हामी त्यही गाइड गर्छौँ। किनभनेदेखि हामी अस्ट्रेलियाको सबै युनिभर्सिटी हामी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छौँ भनेपछि हामीलाई त 100% चोइस छ भने पनि भयो नि विद्यार्थीहरूलाई। त्यो कारणले गर्दा उनीहरू जुन विद्यार्थीहरूलाई जुन भोलि मलाई युनिभर्सिटी अफ सिडनी जानु छ अथवा युटिएस जानु छ अथवा लाठोप जानु छ अथवा म्याक्वारी जानु छ या मोनाज जानु छ, उनीहरूले नाम मात्र लिनुपर्छ, वी हेल्प देम एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ इज अनलाइन होइन। दे नो पेपर वर्क, एभ्रिथिङ इज अनलाइन नाउ, इज पेपरलेस ट्रान्जेक्सन। हामी विद्यार्थीलाई गाइड गरिदिन्छौँ, उनीहरूले आफै ब्याङ्क टु ब्याङ्क पठाउँछन्। हामी विद्यार्थीसँग पैसा लिएर हामी पठाउने पनि होइन, हामी त्यो काम पनि गर्दैनौँ होइन। उनीहरूले सोझै ब्याङ्कबाट आफै युनिभर्सिटीको अकाउन्टमा पैसा पठाउँछन्, भिसा फीको ड्राफ्ट पनि आफै बनाउँछन्। त्यो कारणले गर्दा हामी सक्दो विद्यार्थीलाई मिनिमम कोस्टमा चाहिँ हामी विद्यार्थीलाई हेल्प गर्छौँ हामी होइन, विथ नो कोस्ट टु अस। इभन हामी कहाँ त आइएल्सको क्लासेसहरू पनि हामी फ्रीमा दिन्छौँ, इभन आइएल्सको क्लासेसहरू पनि होइन, दे इज सम कन्डिसन होइन, वी प्रोभाइड देम फ्री होइन। त्यो हामी त सक्दो हेल्प गर्न खोज्यो विद्यार्थीहरूलाई होइन। त्यो अब यो समयले बताउँछ अझ कति बढी हेल्प गर्न सक्छौँ।
दर्शकवृन्द, ग्लोबल रिचले आयोजना गरेको यो एक्जिबिसन र यस सम्बन्धी विभिन्न जानकारीहरू लिन हामीले ग्लोबल रिचका म्यानेजिङ डाइरेक्टरसँग कुराकानी गरिरहेका छौँ। वेलकम।
Welcome, that's good. Thank you very much.
Brief your introduction.
Well, my name is Ravi, and Global Reach is a 25-year-old company which works in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. We have 30 locations in this region, and I would say that it would be one of the leading organizations in South Asia generally, and certainly number one in Nepal.
Okay, and brief and Global Reach, how is your ranking? Any stage for Global Reach?
One of the key things about Global Reach is it's like it's an organization which provides unbiased counseling. What I mean by that is that we work with every single Australian university. Now, working with every single Australian university, the advantage is that the student who comes into a Global Reach office is not being pushed to choose only one or two options, but can actually go to any institution that he wants to study. And this is absolutely a huge advantage for a company, and from the student perspective, the student is not being forced into any options unknowingly or unwantedly. So the role of the counselor is more of a facilitator who helps the student reach their goal.
How to believe in Global Reach?
Well, I think there are many ways to look at it. Why do so many universities partner with Global Reach? The fact that it's 25 years old, the fact that it has the highest visa success rate in the industry. During this year, we have claimed, we seem to be somewhere around 93, 94, 95% visa success rate. So which is another huge plus for a company to be operating in a high-risk region such as Nepal. Interestingly, this is a very interesting question. Nepalese students have started to go to all the major cities, which is Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, and even Darwin, and some going even up to Tasmania. However, large numbers of Nepalese students seem to be going to Sydney, with significantly increasing number also going to Melbourne. Now, this has been going on for some time now. When you really look at the students going from other parts of South Asia, like more students from India tend to go to Melbourne and not so many to Sydney. They go to Sydney too. And if you look at Bhutan, the students tend to go to Canberra and Perth. So it's quite unusual when we really look at Nepalese student profile that they seem to be flocking to two locations. I think it's largely to do with where the students have gone before. So when they go to the social media and other locations, they find that their friends are already studying in these locations, and that works for them. Well, I think it's very simple. If you ask any student who's gone to Australia, who's studying in Australia, they would know the process begins almost at the level of career counseling. A student who walks into a Global Reach office has often heard bits and pieces about the opportunities around the world, but doesn't really have a concrete idea. So they talk to the counselor sits with them, looks at their background, tries to do a best match for a career, talks to their parents, looks at their financial ability to fund the program, look at their academic ability to make sure that they get admission into the program. So that's the initial bit. Then comes helping them with the loan process, with visa process, and also then the pre-departure briefings. Organizing airport pickups when they are landing and maybe even accommodation.
त्यसै गरी हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ मोनास युनिभर्सिटीका एकजना प्रतिनिधि हामी उहाँसँग कुराकानी गर्नेछौँ Why this university?
Monash University is amongst the group of 8 universities in Australia, which are termed as the top 8 research intensive universities in Australia. It's quite a prestigious university. We are amongst top 100 universities worldwide. So ranked 73 as per the QS and 67 as per the Times Higher Education ranking. So quite a prestigious. We are based in Melbourne, where we have got 5 campuses.
What are the key courses in your college?
We've got 10 different faculties offering range of courses. Amongst the popular ones, we've got Master of Business, International Business kind of courses. We have got Advanced Engineering under Faculty of Engineering. We've got IT courses, Master of Information Technology, Data Science, Network and Security. There are also courses in Social Work and International Development Practice. Both are undergrad and postgrad level.
Why you a student are attraction in college?
I think it's because of the world ranking and the quality of education that we offer. So we are most preferred university by the domestic students as well. The facilities that they get on campus in terms of the academic facilities, the research facilities, the sports facilities. So yeah, there's a lot to do when they come on campus to study at Monash.
Any you think telling a student in everybody in Nepal?
Yeah, I think we consider the 4 years bachelor's degree for entry to our postgraduate courses. Undergraduate also we do take A-levels and IB students and Nepal board students who come to us through Monash College pathway. So as far as they've got good grades and the good English language scores, and if they meet the minimum English language eligibility for the course, either IELTS, TOEFL or Pearson test of English, we are happy to take them for our courses.
दर्शकवृन्द एक्जिबिसनमा सहभागी डिकी युनिभर्सिटीका एकजना प्रतिनिधि हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ हामी उहाँहरूसँग कुरा गर्छौँ यहाँलाई स्वागत छ
Nice. Thank you so much. So, Deakin University is one of the leading universities today, and we are amongst the top 2% universities of the world now. As per recent ARW ranking, we are amongst the first 11 universities. We are ranked 11th in Australia. We offer more than 440 programs today. So we have in the field of engineering, architecture, science, environment, business, arts and education, communication, etc. So you can always apply for any of those courses. We have engineering. In the field of engineering, we do have mining, civil, mechanical, mechatronics, electrical and electronics. We have IT, one of the best IT programs in Australia. We are pioneer in the field of business analytics. We have AACSB accreditation for Deakin Business School, which covers management, accounting, business strategies, business analytics. In the field of IT, we have data analytics. There are a lot of programs that you can offer. In the field of health, we are probably most innovative university because we do offer as much as 4 different programs in the field of health. We have Master of Public Health, we have Health and Human Services Management, we have Health Promotion, we have Health Economics, a lot of programs to offer. We are amongst the top 1% universities in terms of accounting, finance, business and management studies, communication and media. And amongst the top 2% universities worldwide for law, psychology and sociology. So there are a lot of options that you can get, and obviously we are reputed, we are renowned because of the fact that we have been in the number 1 position in the field of graduate employability and students satisfaction for last 6 years in a row in the state of Victoria. So that is something commendable, and at the end of the day, any student who enrolls for Australian higher education, look into the fact that how they're going to be benefited 2 years or 4 years or 3 years down the line, and what exactly going to be the outcome. So in terms of outcome, it's evident from the facts and figures that we have right now at the current stage. Well, we are, as per QS World Ranking, we are amongst 301 to 326, so we are amongst the top 2% universities of the world. When it comes to ranking in Australia, course-specific ranking, for accounting, business studies, we are amongst the top 1%, and in terms of sports management, which is very, very popular, we are 7th for undergraduate program, we are number 3 for undergraduate program, and 7th for postgraduate program. Oh, that's something amazing. I love this question, because we have introduced some fantastic scholarships. So if you really look into these accreditations, these are really key to your employability later down the line, and we have introduced 20% scholarships for almost all postgraduate students who are eligible to get into Deakin University, and 25% if you have scored more than 75% in your undergraduate level. So yeah, that's something amazing. When it comes to undergraduate program, unfortunately, we'll not be able to give scholarships to every student, but yes, in certain cases, they are eligible to get up to 25% when they're from A levels or GCSE boards.
Yes, the University of Technology is actually located in the Central Business District in Sydney. We have very strong academic programs with business, engineering, information technology. Because UTS is also located within the media hub, and we're right next to the ABC building, we have a lot of guest lecturers from the journalism and television programs. The communication course is one of the most respected in Australia. We also have a very strong nursing programs. The unique thing about UTS is that we take the methodology of teaching is that we teach you knowledge, and we also teach you to use that knowledge in a practical way, either in work placements or case studies on campus. We also have a very unique course for the Bachelor of Engineering, where you can do an additional year of study and do 2 semesters of work placements in a company in Australia, which is very beneficial when you graduate, because that puts you an edge over other graduates, because you've got 1 year's work experience. Why this university is because, as I just explained, we have a very unique approach in our teaching and learning. We also have introduced innovative learning, which is we expect our students to do a lot of work outside with all the resources available now with the net, and be prepared when they actually come to the university. Also, UTS is ranked by Times Higher Education in the top 250. We're ranked 9th in Australia, and QS has given us 5-star rating, and both QS and Times Higher Education has ranked UTS number 1 in Australia for universities under 50 years old. So that is a remarkable achievement, considering our university is now 30 years old.
मैले यहाँ युनिभर्सिटिजहरूले के कोर्सेस प्रोभाइड गर्छ भनेर बुझेँ। 2-3टा युनिभर्सिटी गएँ, तिनीहरूको एकदमै राम्रो कोर्सेसहरू लाग्यो। अहिले अप्लाई गर्छु भन्ने सोचेर आएको थिएँ, अब हुन्छ के हुन्छ। सेमै छ अब अरू जस्तो एजुकेसन, तर यहाँ चाहिँ युनिभर्सिटीकै मान्छेहरूले बुझाएको भएर अलि राम्ररी बुझ्यो। उता चाहिँ सब्सिडियरिजहरू हुन्छ अरू फेयरहरूमा, त्यसरी कम्पेयर गऱ्यो भने यहाँ चाहिँ इट्स मच बेटर हैन। अनि युनिभर्सिटीको मान्छेहरूले कसरी हुन्छ के चाहिन्छ रिक्वायरमेन्ट्स के हो भनेर एकदमै राम्ररी भन्छ
very carefully. But you all know that the students will all looking at using that education and getting some kind of work experience for a lot of Nepalese students. So when they are considering to study overseas and so that they can stay on and work.
Urbanest basically is into student accommodation, and Urbanest enables you to have a good lifestyle, stay in a good areas, centrally located areas, and you also have good study areas and focuses there. We are basically located in Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide and Brisbane, and we are very much in the heart of the city, so it's very convenient for the students. Basically very situated very close to the universities as well, so it's very comfortable for them. Even with the railway stations, or you talk about your metros or any transport link, we are very close to it, and with your market areas, everything is convenient for the student, because the students have to have a good exposure and a good cultural background and everything. So once they are there, they are in a different country. So Urbanest basically is only for students, and students from different nationalities and also from different universities. So we are basically an off-campus thing, but an off-campus accommodation, but still students get to meet other university students as well in the same accommodation. So it really helps them to know what's happening in the other universities, and also it helps them to connect with other people from other nationalities. So it's a very good multicultural environment that we have, and at the same time it's very safe and secure for them as well. So everything is on a swipe access that they come. It's a 24-hour staff that we have, so it's the safety is a very high priority for us as well.
I just entered भर्खर छिरेमा मेरो पाली कुर्दैछु. I have lots of query. Basically, I'm done with masters, हैन. अब मास्टर सकेपछि 5-6 years experience भएको म जस्तो मान्छेको लागि चाहिँ के opportunity हुन्छ त्यो बुझ्न आएको छ म चाहिँ. It's good to have a direct interaction with the university itself, हैन. So सजिलो हुन्छ होला सायद. धेरै information पाउँछु होला.
My name's Julia Shelley and I'm from Western Sydney University. I'm in fact the regional manager for Nepal, so it's a great opportunity for me to come to Kathmandu and speak to students here about coming to study in our programs. One of the key features of our university is we have a very wide range of discipline areas for students to study in. So that could be law or medicine, nursing, engineering, ICT, business, health sciences, and a whole lot of other programs. And we have bachelor programs, master's programs, and also research programs. So we are what you would call a comprehensive university. So we have a great range of opportunities for students from Nepal to come and study with us. It's been a fantastic day for us here at the exhibition today. We have a number of staff who it's their first time to come and visit Nepal. So it's a great opportunity for them to speak to students in their own country, find out what their questions are about the course, about living and studying in Australia. So it's a tremendous benefit for our academic staff to get that benefit and understanding of the students' needs and their desires, their career goals, while they're still here in Kathmandu. An exhibition like this one today is a great opportunity for students to come and speak with lots of different universities and colleges to help them make some really good decisions about where they study in Australia. You want to make sure that the course matches well with what you've studied, what your career plans are, and we want to make sure that when a student comes to Sydney to study, that they get the best possible experience, the value for money, the return on their investment in the tuition fees and living expenses. So it's really great to speak with students here in Kathmandu and make sure that the course that they're looking at matches well with what they want the outcomes to be from their studies. So a wonderful opportunity for us, and I think a really good opportunity for students to speak with a lot of different universities in Australia, all in the one place, on the one day.
Every day, you've been picking up various life signals that drive you to your destination. Probably a sign navigates you home, a sudden gesture keeps you safe. But when you stand at a point in your career where these subtle gestures are lost on you, Global Reach is there to navigate you. Global Reach, your gateway to future education in more than 350 institutions worldwide. We provide overseas education counseling, admissions and visa assistance to Australia, New Zealand, UK, USA and many more.
Visit Global Reach and feel the difference. Opposite to Kathmandu Plaza, Kamaladi, Kathmandu. Phone number 4439968.
Fulfill your ambition to study and build a bright career. Global Reach, education matters.